I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got yet another video to show you two websites that you can use to make at least $100 in no time. I'm going to show you these two websites that you are going to sign up for free, and you start to use this strategy to make at least $100 in few minutes. Okay, before I reveal the details, my friend, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. If it is your desire to learn more about how to harness the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Our first website is called Fiverr.com. I'm already logged into Fiverr, and this is Fiverr.com. You can see that this is a secure website with a padlock at the corner. Right, Fiverr is a freelance website. People come to Fiverr to outsource some services. People come to Fiverr to offer some services. And there is a ton of services that are being offered at this website. Right. I don't have all day to show you everything that is going on this website, but for our demonstration today, without wasting your time, my friend, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 in few minutes using this website. Right. So we are going to use this website to create YouTube intros and outros, right? So you come to the search bar and just type in YouTube intros and outro right there, okay? And you find that there are many people who are offering this service, right? And there are different price tags right here, right? You see, find this is £8. This is offering, I will do epic gaming YouTube intro and outro logo animation, £8. This is British money, slightly stronger than the US dollar, right? And you see the others are offering £4, that's £12. That one, 21 pounds, it could be 25 or $30 US dollars, right? But what you're going to do, my friend, for you to make $100 every time you use this strategy, right? You come where it says budget right there, budget, and then you peg the minimum amount you want to get each time someone uses your service. Because you're coming right here as a freelancer. You're going to sign up for free on Fiverr, and then you create a portfolio for yourself right here, and then you leave Fiverr to do the rest of the business, right? You use Fiverr's influence, right, to get some business, and you start to make money with website, okay? Right? So you take your minimum amount which you want to get each time you get a job, yes, through this website. Your £100 right there, and you can put your maximum, say £130 or 150. Those who are outsourcing some services right here, they usually look at people who are offering higher prices, those who are charging more. People who are visiting this website are people they have the budget for what they want. Apply your filters right there, right? And you can see that there are so many people who are already charging £100 plus. I'll produce custom intro and outro for your YouTube, £105. That could be $115, $120. So don't be afraid of charging more, okay? If you've not done this before, don't worry about it, because I am going to show you step by step what you can do, okay? Right? So I'm going to show you free tools that you can use to make these intros and outros, okay? This website is going to notify you that you've got a job. And then once you get that job, you go to a website that I'm going to show you now. to make the intros and the outros, okay, right? So, and that website is called Render Forest. Render Forest is also a secure website. It does a lot of other things, right? And it's used by Forbes, Entrepreneur, Business, Today, GoDaddy, and other brands, okay? So it says, use our online branding tools to design your logo, create professional intros, animations, promo videos, slideshows, music, visualizations, landing pages, and even a professional website. Without wasting your time, my friend, let me just show you where you're going to start making money with this website, right? You scroll down to the bottom, under category right there, you see where it says YouTube Intro Maker. You click that link, and then it brings you to this page. It says, create intros for YouTube and boost your channel. Get a broadcast quality video within a couple of minutes. No design skills are required. You don't need any prior experience or skills to do this. It's just plug and play, okay, right? There are some templates that you can use right here. It's a matter of choice, okay? So once you're ready, you create your intro. You click create your intro right there. And then it brings you to the different templates, animated logo templates and intros, right? So you can use these ones. You can get also a hint from your customer, right? And once they see your profile on Fiverr, once they see your profile right here, they'll have an idea of what sort of intro they want or outro they want. So they'll give you a hint, okay? And then you just follow that, all right? So say you choose this one, multicolor blast logo, right? As an intro, right? You click that one and it previews it. Look at that. If you are happy with that, then you just click create. It brings you to this page. Now you are able to upload the image because the customer will give you some images. Let's demonstrate with mine, okay? That's my picture I want to use. Confirm yes. And then you put some text right here. You preview that, okay? It's generating the animated intro, which you can use as an intro or as an outro, depending really on the preference of the customer. Our intro is done. Then you can preview it. Look at that. Fantastic. That's all what you do. It just depends on the template you want. There is a ton of templates that you can use on that website, on Render Forest. And it also depends on the taste of the customer. Let's check this one. Fantastic that. Look at that. I like that. If you want to try again this one, let's have another example. Right, so I finished processing. Right, let's do a preview, okay? Right, so preview, click that one. Fantastic. Okay, so my friend, this is what you do. So once you are happy with that, you download, you click download right here. Your client will be coming from Fiverr right here. So you can download it onto your computer. And once it's in your computer, then it means you can send it to the customer here on Fiverr, right? So let me make a cool announcement to you, my friend. Yes, this is a cool way of making $100 each time you get a customer on Fiverr, right? But let me tell you also that there is another cool way of making passive income, right? I have a link in the description below which can give you more detail on what I'm talking about. where you can make money whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your family, with your loved ones, right? So check the link in the description. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. See you later.